Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, I have my fish here. Today I'm going to make fish roll. So yeah, I have my fresh fish. I'm just going to dice it into little pieces and I will boil it with some ingredients. So now I'm just cutting it to wash it and boil it as I said before. So that is what I'm just doing. I already cleaned the fish. I put it on the pot. I'm going to boil it with those ingredients. I will put a little bit of water for the boiling process. Turn everything together and cover to cook for a few minutes. Those are the ingredients that I need for my dough. Here I have my dry yeast, so I'm just pouring it into a bowl, a pinch of salt. So I'm going to add sugar and I'm also going to add powder milk on it, and I will add my egg also and water. So I already add water. This is my egg. So I'm just going to stir everything together. So I will just stir everything very well to be well combined before I will stiff my flour. Keep on washing, guys. Yeah, I'm going to stiff my flour right now. I'm just going to stiff everything. It's good to stiff your flour. It's very important because there is always lumps on it. So yeah, my clean hand, I'm going to mix everything together very well. Mix it very well to be well combined. Now I'm going to add my butter also. All the measurement will be in description box below. So here is my butter. I'm going to continue mashing everything together. I am done with the dough, guys. I'm going to cover for a few minutes to rest. I just use my cloth to cover it. Here I have my mayonnaise, and I'm also going to add ketchup on it also. I will mix everything together. This is what I'm going to put on my dough with the boiling fish, guys. So I'm mixing everything together. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. I just floor my work surface to be easy when I'm rolling the dough. Yeah, I'm going to divide the dough into two to make it easier. So now I'm going to roll the dough before I will put my meat and the mixed ketchup and mayonnaise. I make sure I spread everything very well to be easy when I'm going to fold it also. Here I'm putting my mixed ketchup and mayonnaise on the dough. When I finish with this, I already debone my fish. I will put my fish on it and roll it. That is what I'm just doing. So it was very easy and it was delicious. This is my deboned fish. I'm just going to spread it as well into the dough. That is what I'm doing, guys. I already spread it. I already put the fish. Now I'm just going to roll it from one side to the other gently with the dough. So that is what I'm just doing right now, guys. So it's nothing difficult on this recipe. I'm done with the rolling. Now I'm going to cut it to my desired size. So I just cut everything, not too big, not too small. So before I put it on the oven, I continue the same process that we did before on the second dough that we put aside before. also spread my minced ketchup and mayonnaise on it also. I'm also going to put our deboned fish just the way we did for the very first time. We are doing the same thing for the second time. Yeah, I have it. I'm going to pinch it together so that it doesn't unravel when I'm cutting it. That is what I was just doing. So I'm going to cut as well. So guys, if you watch me to this moment, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Don't forget to do those things and we really appreciate. I will put it on the oven for medium heat. Look at it guys, it was ready to be eaten. It was so delicious. I really enjoy it with hot tea. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next video. Bye.